What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be going over how to remove the sweeps for bottom loaders off a 2023 Chevrolet Silverado. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, this is just a bonus tip for those who don't know. When you're working on these Chevrolet GMC, hold the power button or the start button. What it'll do is this will make it go into service mode. As you can see, you're pretty much holding it until it turns on. What this will do is it'll allow you more time to work on these windows without it shutting off on you. Now, another tip to stop that annoying beeping from happening, just go ahead and trick the lock. And now there's no more beeping. So now you can work comfortably. Your windows will go up and down. I think the service mode is about 15 to 20 minutes, which should be more than enough time to tackle these windows. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the front windows. What you wanna do is just remove the little cover behind the door handle. And once you pop that trim off, you're gonna have a 7mm nut in there that you need to remove. So go ahead and get your gun there. Once that 7mm is gone, you can go ahead and start rolling back the top panel. I like to start off where their switches are. Once you do so, then from this corner, you just want to go ahead and pop off that panel. The back window is the same. You want to go ahead and remove that little cover behind the door handle. Remove the 7mm. And go ahead and pop those back. Now this one pops back a lot easier than the front, so just go ahead and start off from this corner and slowly roll back. There you go. You can also use a hook tool to make this a little bit easier, but I didn't want to go grab it during recording. All right, so now we're going to go over how to reinstall the gasket. Once you've tinted the window, what you want to do is just go ahead and roll it all the way down. I like to come from the outside, so that way you can see exactly what it is that you're doing. You want to go ahead and install with the felt side facing you. Go ahead and make sure that it goes below the plastic seal on that side. Also, go ahead and pull back the panel here. Again, this is important. Make sure that it is staying in that plastic piece here, plastic trim. Once the two corners are in, just go ahead and press down the center. And what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and lift that lip there to make sure that it's going over. So this lip here has to go over this section. So in order for you to grab a better grip, come from this side, you're going to want to go ahead and just roll. And as you pull back, you're pushing at the same time. So as you heard it snap, you just want to double check your work. As you can see, that lip is on that gasket now. Now all you want to do, roll your window up. You want to go ahead and grab your 7mm here. Don't over tighten it. Get your plastic piece here. Line it up. That same corner, essentially where you pulled from, that's going to be the last place that clips. And that's the front door. So let's go ahead and go to the back. The back, we're going to use a similar method. We're going to go ahead and roll the window all the way down. Get our gasket. Again, we're facing us. Slide it all the way inwards. Now this corner here, go ahead and fold. Make sure that it sits inside that plastic piece, and then just go ahead and lock in the full center piece. See if we can roll it from this side. So, there you go. So we got this corner in. Let's just go ahead and finish rolling it over here. That's it. So Let's go ahead and double check, make sure that it all laid flat. As you can see, we still have this little section here that we need to fit. So let's come back on this side. Just gonna lift and let it sit. So now we know it's fully flat. Roll your window up. Move the handle out of the way. And we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Let's go ahead and set the clip. And pop it into place. There you go. So that's how you remove and reinstall the gaskets on a 2023 Silverado.